Hello, my name is Hasib and you are watching Hasib Infinity. So you are a new programmer and you got tired of writing simple codes. So let's code a bigger one. Today's project will be traffic management system. Our program will be monitoring intercity traffic using ANPR camera. Camera will recognize the station number and group vehicle into private, government and unknown vehicle. I want you to think about it and using your personal creativity find possible approaches. As my solution, I will generate random registration number as a symbol and automate my program as much as I can. I will be using classes for the program. Reading this motivating saying of Thomas Edison, let's bring life to your idea. These all are the header files and libraries we will be using in the program. These are the prototypes of the function I will be explaining later. These functions are the backbone of the program. So,
let's define them one by one.
Our first function is for generation of random number. It randomly concatenates a numeric and alphabetic string to return a unique registration number. This function shows type of vehicle and necessary things to do. This function manipulates a string to generate UI framework of a vehicle using symbols. Additionally, car animation function changes color of vehicle on basis of type of vehicle. This function shows record of vehicle passed through the checkpost. This is vehicle class containing extension variables and 3 functions for 3 types of vehicle. Now let's define class function one by one. All 3 functions take 2 arguments. One string which is registration number, other is time from ctime library. I apologize as code is displaying in really fast and quick manner, but I don't want to take much of your time. I suggest you to take a break in the video and analyze the code if needed. However, you can get all the code in the description of the video. This is the function which provokes when an overspeed vehicle passes by. It automatically informs cops about incoming vehicle. Get data function extracts and displays all data about vehicles passed by during the day. This is conceptual map of our program. I want you to analyze these steps wisely so that you can call functions properly inside main. Steps will be easy and real quick. Only you have to randomize the incoming vehicle so that you need not to input anything by hand. So this is our main program. As we use rand function from standard library, then limits to the available types of vehicle. Organizing main will be a good practice for you, but still you can pause the video and get everything clear. And now it's time to run our program. That's it. If you like the video, keep visiting my channel. See you next time. Till then, keep learning.